This week, you will complete a complex sentence slideshow in order to enhance our sentence game. Yes, we're going to work on our syntax by implementing complex sentences. This is going to improve the quality of your writing. So before you begin to use the complex sentences, which some of you are already doing and doing very well, I want to make sure I give us an opportunity to practice using them this week. So as an overview, you're going to write complex sentences using pictures of the week. So you would simply Google pictures of the week and you would use those. The overview of the assignment, once again, you're going to use the formula AWUBIS, and that simply is like a formula to show you the beginning of the different ways you can start your complex sentence. As, although, after, that's the AAA, then the W, while, you, until, be, before, because, if, since. So you can start a sentence, as I was walking down the street. Well, notice that's not a complete thought. It's dependent. It starts with a dependent clause. As I was walking down the street, comma, I saw a man running towards me. That makes a complex sentence. A man, I saw a man running towards me is a complete sentence. As I was walking down the street, that's not a complete thought. When you combine them, it makes a complex sentence. Before I go to bed, that's not a complete thought. I raid the kitchen for snacks. I raid the kitchen for snacks is a complete thought. Before I go to bed, comma, I raid the kitchen for snacks. That makes it a complex sentence because we have combined dependent, can't stand by itself, with independent, can stand on its own. So your assignment is you're simply going to use pictures from the internet, and I'll show you the website. It's Weekend Pictures. It's NBC, I believe, NBC Weekend Pictures. And you'll copy pictures from there. You'll put them on a slideshow, and you will simply use the image to write a complex sentence. Here's an example. As the protesters march, see, there's the A, as the protesters march, comma, the fire rages across the street. So I simply use this image to write a complex sentence. You'll repeat images for the different complex patterns. For your grade, you can write 3 complex sentences per picture. For a B, for an A, 3 complex sentences, and for a B, 2 complex sentences per picture. Let me know if you have any questions. And this is due Thursday at the beginning of class. I want to see the complex sentences showing up in your writing. You have a discussion to do this week. I want to see complex sentences showing up there. I want to see complex sentences they'll be required in your room for debate response.